Hello everyone, we are excited to announce that Progra is now offering online coding classes for students from grade 3 to grade 12. After the success of our in-person programs, we are bringing the same quality education to your homes and thus making it easier than ever for students to start or continue their coding journey. So why Progra online? So our goal is to make high quality education more accessible, flexible, and convenient. Whether you are in a big city or a small town, your child can now learn to code with expert instructors right from home. Online learning also gives families more flexibility with the schedules while maintaining the structure and engagements of live interactive lessons. Here, what sets our online classes apart? First, live instructor led sessions. You are not learning alone, you are guided in real time by experienced teachers. Second, hands on coding activities during every class. You are not just watching, you are actually writing code and solving problems as you go. Third, small group sizes. That means more personalized attention, more support, and more chances to ask questions. And most importantly, students don't just learn theory, they build real projects and actually see that code comes to life. Why parents love program? Our programs are designed to make life easier for parents too. You will appreciate the structured learning paths tailored by grade level and skill, so your child is always on the right track. We offer flexible class timings that work around your family's schedule. You will get progress tracking and regular updates so you always know how your child is doing. And most importantly, we create a safe, supportive, and focused learning environment, one where kids can truly thrive. We have earned the trust of many families through our in person programs, and now we are bringing the same trust and care to our online classes. To help you get started, we are offering free demo classes. It's a no obligation chance for your child to try coding, meet our instructors, and explore the format before enrolling. We are confident they'll enjoy the experience. So, how to register? Just fill out the Google form link below, and we'll get in touch to schedule your child's free demo class and join our WhatsApp channel as well. Need help or questions? Feel free to reach out to us via phone or email. We are happy to assist. At Program, we believe every child should have the chance to be a creator in the digital world, whether they want to build games, websites, AI models, or apps. We are here to guide them every step of the way. Let's unlock their creativity and build a brighter, tech powered future together. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. See you. Bye bye.